Welcome to Greedy Gulper. As you have already understood from the name that today we are making chicken chaap. Just like the one available in the Royal India Hotel in Chitpur, Kolkata. Hence we are in new market to buy some cockerels or cock. Why cock? Keep watching, we'll tell you why. Ingredients to make chicken chaap are a whole cock or cockerel weighing approximately 400 to 500 grams net cut into 4 pieces. The cockerels are young male broilers which are small in size, approximately weighing 400 to 500 grams net and looks wholesome while served as a portion. Ginger paste, garlic paste, some green chilies, curd, cashew nuts, melon seeds, poppy seeds, roasted gram flour, salt to taste, sugar, Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, refined oil, केवड़ा water, rose water, मीठा अतर, saffron, yellow food color, ghee, vanaspati, and a set of whole garam masala like cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, mace, nutmeg, star anise, caraway seeds, white peppercorn, black peppercorn, tailed pepper, dry rose petals, and 2 very unique spices. One, people or dry sacred fig, and stone flower or patthar ke phool. Mostly all old restaurants in Kolkata, especially the Muslim restaurants, serve all their chicken dishes using cock broilers, as it is small in size, looks wholesome, and is much more tastier than the oversized broilers which we have on a regular basis. These broiler cocks are used for making chaap, chicken tandoori, biryani, etc. Let's transfer all the whole spices in a mixer grinder and grind the masalas to a fine powder. This is the most essential powder for making the chaap, called the Shahi Chaap Masala. This powder can be stored in airtight container for future use later. In a mixer, add curd, soaked cashew nuts, soaked melon seeds, garlic paste, ginger paste, soaked poppy seeds, and some green chilies. The Royal's chicken chaap carries a bit of heat, hence be generous with the chilies. Make a fine paste out of this. With this paste, the marination for the chicken chaap is ready. Check the consistency. The paste should be smooth and not too watery. Now let's put together all the ingredients to make a final marinade for our chaap. In a big bowl, add all the ingredients one by one. Here we are using a little more of roasted gram flour as we want a thick gravy for our chicken chaap like the one served in Royal India Hotel. Now mix all the ingredients very well together and make a very fine and smooth paste. Now coat each piece of chicken one after the other with this marinade. Patience is a virtue which needs to be practiced at times. So let's practice it during the marination. If you want your chaap to be really tasty, take considerable amount of time coating the chicken during this marination process. Pour refined oil in the pan. Add ghee and vanaspati. Allow it to heat. Once warm, reduce the temperature and add the marinade meat one by one. Fry a little. Chaap is always cooked on low heat. Push the meat to the edges. Keep adding oil over the meat as it helps in absorption of flavor and keeps the meat moist. Chaap is cooked in a shallow, wide, flat-bottomed pan. To get a good restaurant-style chaap, the quantity of fat should be a handful. So don't hesitate at all with the oil, ghee or vanaspati. But yes, do keep the ratio in mind. Add the marinade masala. Keep frying. Allow the meat to get tender. in the lowest possible heat. Now, not much work to be done. Just flip the chicken once a while. Keep spreading oil over the chicken. This spreads the aroma across. Cock cooks very fast. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken chaap is ready to be served with biryani, rumali roti, or any other roti of your choice. Do try out our chicken chaap recipe during Durga Puja and surprise your friends and family. And if your recipe comes out well, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Greedy Gulper for more such upcoming recipes.